kind of exhaust you running, man?
We got the solo exhaust.
Solo?
Yeah. It's
Straight
all,
pipe?
All the way back, yeah.
Can I hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Woo! Solo exhaust, bro. Gee. That's it?
Some old lady complaining. Can't do nothing around here.
Saw some old lady. It's heard.
Oh no.
Yeah. Woo! Holy. Oh yeah, I believe you. Dude, it's crazy. So literally, honestly, this is a sleeper.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't even expect this to be like a 8 second car, man.
Not at all.
Holy. So Tony Cruz, or is your own little special thing?
It's my own special.
Your own special thing, yeah. Man,
I can only
holy.
go to the track next year.
Yeah.
I'll make a meet there when this next year.
Dude, I'm in. I'm fucking in.